हेलो गाइज, आप लोग कैसे हो। मैं अजीत प्रताप यादव आप लोगों के लिए नई वीडियो लेके आ गया। आज इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट, क्लास 10 साइंस, मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट। आई विल डिस्कस दिस वीडियो इन 5 पार्ट्स। तो इन पार्ट्स 1, मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट, डिटेल क्वेश्चन आंसर, CBSE पैटर्न। Now objective type part 1, objective type question we will discuss in part 1, objective type question. The magnetic field inside a long straight solenoid carrying current is zero, uniform, non-uniform or circular. Uniform. The magnetic field inside the long straight solenoid carrying current is zero, uniform, non-uniform, circular. Is answer is uniform. Question number 2, the device which is to used for producing electric current in is called galvanometer, motor, ammeter, generator. The answer is will be generator. Question number 2, the device which used for producing electric current is called galvanometer, motor, ammeter, or demon generator. The answer is D option, generator. Question number 3, the direction of force on a current carrying conductor in a magnet field is given by A. Fleming left hand rule, B. Fleming right hand rules, right hand thumb rules, left hand thumb rule. Answer is the Fleming's left hand rules. Question number 4, a charged particle enter a magnetic field at a right angle. The path of particle will be straight, circular, parabolic, elliptical. Answer is circular. A charged particle enter a magnetic field at a right angle. What path of the particle will be? Circular. There are 4 options: straight line, circular, parabolic, elliptical. The answer is B, circular. Question number 5, the strength of magnetic field inside a long straight solenoid does not depend on the number of turns, strength of the current, radius of the solenoid, nature of the material. Radius of the solenoid. Question, which of following is not a magnetic material? Iron, cobalt, nickel, aluminium. Aluminium is a not magnetic metal. The magnetic field line around a straight current carrying conductor are straight line, B concentric line, C elliptical line, D parallel line. Answer is the concentric line. Question number 8. The phenomenon of electromagnetic induction was discovered by Faraday, Oersted, Ohms, Maxwell. The phenomenon of electromagnetic radiation was discovered by Faraday. Question number 9, objective type question. In domestic circuit, the live wire is usually red or brown, blue or black, green, yellow, red or brown. In domestic circuit, the live wire is usually red or brown. In domestic, the live wire is usually red or brown. Question number 10. The frequency of AC supply in India is 50 Hz, 60 Hz, 220 Hz, 110 Hz. Answer is 50 Hz. Question number 11. The split ring in DC motor act as a commutator brush, alternate, armature, magnet, commutator. Question number 12. The earth wire is usually of which color? Green color or yellow color, red color, black color, blue color. The earth wire is usually green or yellow color. Which rule is used to find the direction of the magnetic field around the straight conductor? Right hand thumb rule. A option is right hand thumb rule, B option is Fleming left hand rule, C option is Fleming right hand rule. D, left hand thumb rules. Answer is a right hand thumb rule. Which rule is used to find the direction of magnetic field around the straight conductor? Right hand thumb rules. Question number 14. The commercial unit of electrical energy is joule, watt, kilowatt, volt, kilowatt hour. Question number 14. The commercial unit of electrical energy H. Option A joule, B option B is watt, option C is kilowatt hour, answer D is volt. So correct answer is kilowatt hour. Question number 15, the magnetic field is strongest. Option A near the pole, away from the pole, at the center, everywhere, same. Answer A near the poles. Question number 16, which instrument used to detect current? A galvanometer, voltmeter, ammeter, ohmmeter. Answer is galvanometer. Which instrument is used to detect current? Option is galvanometer. B option is voltmeter. C option is ammeter. D option ohmmeter. Answer is galvanometer. Question number 70. The magnetic field line. Question number 70. The magnetic field line intersect each other, never intersect, sometime intersect, are parallel to each other, never intersect. Question number 18. The magnetic field produced by a current carrying state conductor is very strong, very weak, very strong enough, zero, very weak. Question number 19. The magnetic field produced by a circular coil can be increased by increasing current. B option is increasing number of turns, both A and B. D, none of these, both A and B. Increase current, increasing number of turns. Question number 20. The essential difference between AC and DC generator is in magnetic. A option is magnetic field. B is armature. B is commutator. D is brush. C is commutator. Now short type answer question. Question number 21 to 50. What is the magnetic field line? What is the magnetic field line? Magnetic field line are imaginary lines that represent the direction and strength of a magnetic field. The tangent at any point give the field direction. What is the magnetic field line? Magnetic field line are imaginary line that represent the direction and strength of a magnetic field. The tangent of any point give the field direction. Question number 20. State any two properties of magnetic field line. They never in they never intersect each other. They are closed, continuous curve. The relative closeness indicates field strength. What is magnetic field? The region around the magnet where its magnetic influence can be experienced is called magnetic field. Question number 23. What is a magnetic field? The region around a magnet where its magnetic influence can be experienced is called a magnetic field. Question number 20. Who discovered the magnetic effect of electric current? Hans Christian Ørsted in 1820. Question number 25. State Fleming's left hand rule. State thumb, forefinger, and middle finger of left hand mutually perpendicular. Forefinger points is magnetic field direction. Middle finger is current direction. The thumb keep force of direction. State Fleming's left hand rule. State thumb and middle finger of the left hand mutually perpendicular to each other. Mutually perpendicular. Forefinger point its magnetic field direction, middle finger in current direction, and thumb give force of direction. Question number 26. What is the function of brushes in electric motor? Brushes help in transferring current from external circuit to the rotating commutator. Question number 27. Why is soft iron used as a core in electromagnet? Soft iron has a high magnetic permeability and low retentivity. So it gains strong magnetism when current flow and loses it when current stops. Question number 20. Why is soft iron used as a core in electromagnet? Soft iron has high magnetic permeability and low retentivity. So it gains strong magnetism when current flow and loses it when current stops. Question number 28. What is electromagnetic radiation? The phenomenon of producing induced current in a coil due to the relative motion between the coil and magnet is called electromagnetic induction. Question number 28. What is electromagnetic induction? The phenomenon of producing induced current in a coil due to relative motion between the coil and magnet is called electromagnetic induction. Question number 28. What is electromagnetic induction? The phenomenon of producing induced current in a coil due to the relative motion between the coil and magnet is called electromagnetic induction. Question number 29. State Fleming's right hand rules. Answer is the state thumb, forefinger and middle finger of right hand mutually perpendicular. Forefinger point in magnetic field direction. Thumb in motion of direction and middle finger give the induced current direction. What is solenoid? A coil of many circular turns of insulated copper wire wrapped closely in a cylindrical form. What is a solenoid? A coil of many circular turns of insulated copper wire wrapped closely in cylindrical form. What does a current carrying conductor experience force in a magnetic field? Due to the interaction between the magnetic field produced by the current and external magnetic field. Question number 30. What is the principle of electric motors? It works on the principle that current carrying conductor placed in a magnetic field experience a force. Question number 32. What is the principle of electric motor? It works on the principle that a current carrying conductor placed in a magnetic field experience a force. Question number 33. What is the function of commutator in DC motor? It reverses current direction in armature coil after every half rotation. It reverses current direction in armature coil after every half rotation. What is the principle of electric generator? It works on electromagnetic induction. Current is induced by the relative motion between the conductor and magnetic fields. Question number 34. What is the principle of electromagnetic generator? It works on electromagnetic induction. A current is induced by the relative motion between conductor and magnetic field. Question number 35. Differentiate between AC and DC. AC changes direction periodically. DC flow in one direction constant. Why is AC preferred over DC for long distance transmission? AC can be stepped up to high voltage, reducing power loss during the transmission. What is the frequency of AC in India? 50 Hz cycle per second. What is the frequency of AC in India? 50 Hz cycle per second. What is the voltage of domestic AC supply in India? 220 volts. What is the function of the earth wire? It provides low resistance path for leakage current to the ground, preventing electric shocks. Question number 40. What is overloading? When current drawn exceeds safe limit due to the too many appliances connected is called overloading. Question number 40. What is overloading? When current drawn exceeds safe limit due to too many appliances and connected. What is short circuit? Short circuiting. When live and neutron wire come in direct contact due to damage of insulation is called short circuiting. What is short circuit? The when live and neutral wire come in contact due to the damage of insulation is called short circuiting. Question number 42. What is the function of fuse? It melt and break circuit when current exceeds safe limit. What is the function of fuse? It melt and break circuit when current exceeds safe limit. What is the fuse connected in live wire? So that the after fuse melt appliances is not connected to the high voltage. Why is fuse connected to live wire? So that After fuse melt, appliances is not connected to high voltage. Question number 44. What is the MCB? Miniature circuit breaker. Automatics is that open circuit during overload, short circuit. Why are copper wire thick? To have low resistance and minimize heating. Why are the copper wire thick? To have low resistance and minimize heating. What is the color coding of wires? Live wire, red or brown, neutral wire, black, blue, earth wire, green or yellow. What is the color coding wire? Live wire, red or brown, neutral wire, black, blue, earth wire, green or yellow. Question number 47. Why are magnetic field line are closer near to pole? Because magnetic field is stronger near poles. Question number 47. Why are magnetic field line closer near pole? Because magnetic field line is stronger near poles. Question number 48. What is the magnetic field due to the current through a state conductor? Concentric circle with conductor as center. Question number 48. What is the magnetic field due to the current through a state conductor? Concentric circle with conductor as a center. How can magnetic field strength of solenoid be increased? Increase current, increase number of turns, use soft iron cores. Question number 50. What is the advantage of AC over DC? Can be transmitted over long distance with less power loss. What is the advantage of AC or DC? Can be transmitted over long distance with less power loss. Now move to part 3, short type question. Question number 51 to 18. Draw the magnetic field line around the bar magnet. List two properties. Takes field line from north to south. Properties. Start from north pole at south pole. Never intersect each other. Closure line indicates stronger field. Property of magnetic field line. Start from north pole and end to south pole. Never intersect each other. Closure line indicates stronger field. Question number 52. Describe Oster experiment. Answer. Place magnetic needle parallel to the current carrying wire. When current flow, needle deflect. Reverse current direction, needle deflect in opposite direction. So current produce magnetic field. Question number 53. Explain right hand thumb rule with diagram. Hold current carrying state conductor is right hand thumb point its current direction, curled finger show magnetic field direction. Question number 50. Why is magnetic field uniform inside a solenoid? Parallel field line. Equal spacing between line, constant field strength throughout. Question number 50. Why is magnetic field uniform inside the solenoid? Parallel field line, equal spacing between line, constant field strength throughout. Question number 50. Draw magnetic field pattern due to the current in circular loop. Question number 59. Draw magnetic field pattern due to current in circular loop. Concentric circle at center, straight line along axis, field 9 or closure nearby. Question number 50. How does electric fuse work? Made of low melting point material. When current exceeds rating, heat produce melt. Fuse. Circuit breaks protecting appliances. How does electric fuse work? Made of low melting point material. When current exceeds rating, heat produce melt. Fuse. Circuit break protecting appliances. Difference between AC and DC generator. AC generator sleep ring AC output. AC generator sleep ring AC output. DC sleep split ring commutator DC output. Question number 58. Explain working of electric motor with diagram. Current is a armature experience force in magnetic field. Commutator, commutator reverse current every half rotation. Continuous rotation obtain. Question number 59. Why is soft iron core used in transformer? High magnetic permeability concentrates magnetic field, low hysteresis loss. Question number 6. What are the magnetic field line? Why don't they intersect? In imaginary line representing a magnetic field, they do not intersect because at the point intersection there would be two field direction, which is impossible. What are the magnetic field line? Why do not they intersect? Imaginary line representing magnetic field is called magnetic field line. They don't intersect because at a point of intersection there would be two field direction, which is impossible. Explain electromagnetic induction with activity. Connect coil to a galvanometer, moves magnetic field in out of coil. Galvanometer show deflection, so influence current to produce. Question number Question number 62. Why does current carrying conductor experience force? Why does current carrying conductor experience force? Answer: interaction between magnetic field due to the current. External magnetic field result in mechanical force. Question number 6 is: how can induced current direction be found? Using Fleming right hand rule, thumb motion, forefinger field, middle finger current. Question number 64. What are the factors affecting force current carrying conductor? Strength of magnetic field, magnitude of the current, length of the conductor in field. Question number 65. Why is AC preferred for domestic use? Can be stepped up down, efficient transmission, cheaper generator, resistors are easy to interrupt. Question number 66. Explain the domestic electric circuit with diagram. X live 220-volt fuse switch appliances neutral earth. Question number 67. What precautions should be taken in domestic wiring? Proper earthing, correct fuse rating, good quality insulation, MCB protection. What precaution should what precautions should be taken in domestic wiring? Answer is that proper earthing, correct fuse rating, good quality insulation, MCB protection. Question number 60. How does magnetic relay work? Answer: a small current in a electromagnet attract iron armature, causes open secondary circuit used for remote control. Question number 69. Why is galvanometer used in Faraday experiment? To detect a small induced current and their direction. Because what is back EMF in motor? Induced EMF opposite applied voltage due to the rotation in magnetic field. Question number 71. How can magnetic field strength be increased? Answer: increase current, increase number of turns, use iron cores, reduce radius. Question number 72. Why is DC not used for homes? Cannot be stepped up down easily, more power loss in transmission, difficult to interrupt. What is the role of earth wire? What is the role of earth wire? Safety devices provide low resistance path for leakage current. What is the role of earth wire? And safety of devices provides low resistance path for leakage current. Why are appliances connected in parallel? Some voltage across all. Independent operation. If one fail, other work. Why are appliances connected in panels? Same voltage across all independent operation. If one fail, other work. Question number 75. What is short circuit? Why dangerous? Direct contact of live and neutral wire causes very high current overheating fire. Question number 25. What is short circuit? Why dangerous? Direct contact of live and neutral wire is called short circuit. Causes very high current overloading fire. How does MCB work? Elec- Electromagnetic trip during short circuit. Thermal trip during overload can be reset. What are the what fuse? Why are fuse rating important? Too low and necessary blowing. Too high, no protection. Should match appliances current. What is the electromagnetic braking? What is electromagnetic braking? Using induced current to produce opposing magnetic field for braking. What is what is electromagnetic braking? Using induced current to produce opposing magnetic field for braking. Question number 79. Why are transformer important? Step up voltage for transmission and step down for domestic use, reduce power loss. Question number 79. Why are transformer important? Answer is step up voltage for transmission, step down for domestic wires, reduce power loss. So now, what is ED current? Induced, induced circulating current in a bulk metal causing heating is called ED current. Induced circulating current in a bulk metal. Induced circulating current in a bulk metal causing heating is called ED current. What is ED current? Induced circulating current in a bulk metal causing heating is called ED current. Now question part 4 long answer type question. Question number 81 to 100. Explain construction and working of AC generator with diagram. Construction. Armature coil, field magnet, slip ring, brushes, rotating shaft. Explain the construction and working of AC generator with diagram. Construction. Armature coil, field magnet, slip rings, brushes, rotating shaft. Working armature rotate the magnetic field. Magnetic flux charges. Current induced in coil. AC output through the slip rings. Question number 82. Describe the electric motor with level diagram and principle. Answer force on current carrying conductor in magnetic field construction, armature coil, fielder magnet, split link, commutator, brushes, axle working. Current in armature experience force, rotate due to the torque, commutator reverse current, every half rotation, continuous rotation in the same direction. Question number 33. Explain magnetic field due to the current in solenoid. Compare with bar magnet. Solenoid field is strong uniform field similar to bar magnet. Field strength depend on current transfer, unit length, core material, compression similarity. Both have NNS for similar field pattern follow the inverse square law. Difference solenoid field can be switched on off. Strength can be varied. No permanent magnetism. Now, what is electromagnetic induction? Explain Faraday's experiments. Production of induced EMF due to the changing magnetic flux called electromagnetic induction. Production of induced EMF due to the changing magnetic flux. Faraday's experiment. Coil magnet move towards coil. Current induced magnet move away direction. Current in opposite direction. faster motion, larger current. Current carrying coil experiment, primary circuits, switch off, on off, induce current in secondary coils, speed, factor affecting induced current, speed of motion, strength of magnet, number of turns. Question number 85. Explain domestic wire system with safety measure. Domestic system live wire 220 volt, neutral wire 0 volt, earth wire safety, parallel connection for of appliance, meter and main switch. Explain domestic wiring system with safety measure. Domestic system live wire 220 volt, neutral wire 0 volt, earth wire safety, parallel connection of appliances, meter and main switch. Safety measure earthing green, yellow wire to be ground, fuse melt during overcurrent, MCB automatic circuit breaker, proper insulation, standards, color coding, switch in live. Precaution. Use correct fuse rating, avoid overloading, regular maintenance, use ISI mark appliances. Question number 86. Describe electromagnetic induction with appliance. Principles. Changing magnetic flux induce EMF. Application. Principle. Changing magnetic flux induce EMF. Application. Generator convert mechanical to energy to electrical energy. Transformer change AC voltage level. Induction tops. ED current heat cooking vessels. Electro generator convert mechanical to electrical energy. Transformer change AC voltage level. Induce tops. ED current heat cooking vessel. Electric guitars. Guitars string vibration induced current. Card reader magnetic strip induced current. Wireless charging changing magnetic field induced current. Question number 87. Explain core on current carrying conductor in magnetic field. Answer. Origin interaction between magnetic field, conductor field plus external field result in mechanical zone. Factor magnetic field strength B, current I, conductor L, angle between field and current. That's Fleming left hand rule application. Electric motor, loudspeaker, galvanometer. Question number 88. Compare AC and DC generator. Compare AC and DC generator. Answer is the AC generator. Output alternating current, ring slips, rings, graphs, sinusoidal waves. Application power station home. DC generator output direct current, rings, split ring, commutator, graph, pulsating DC. Application battery charging, electrolysis. Similarity both work on electromagnetic induction. Similar with basic construction need prime mover. 89. Explain working transfer of transformer with principal. Mutual induction construction. Primary coil, secondary coil, soft iron core working. AC is in primary precaution changing magnetic flux link with the secondary coil. EMF induced secondary current induced in secondary. Transfer equation. Vp upon Bs, Np upon Is upon Ip. Step up Vs up greater than Vp. Step down Vs less than Vp. What is the magnetic field line? Write property with diagram. Imaginary line representing magnetic field. Property continuous closed curve never intersect. Direction north to south, outside, south to north, inside magnet. Density indicate field strength. Tend to contract longitudinally. Tend to explain laterally. Diagram show field in line around the magnet solenoid. Explain our state, experiment and significance. Answer. Compass needle parallel to wire. Current on, needle reflect. Current off, needle back to original. Reverse current opposite direction. Significance. First connection First connection between the electricity and magnetism, foundation of electromagnetic, led to development of the motor generator. Describe factor effect magnetic field of solenoid. Factor current I B proportional to I number of turns per unit length V proportional to N. Core material mu r time with iron core. Diameter B decrease with increase in diameter. Formula B for air. Application electromagnet relay MRI machine. Explain Fleming left hand and right hand rules. Left hand rule motor rules. Thumb force direction, forefinger field direction, middle finger current direction, application electric motor. Right hand rule generators rules. Thumbs motion direction, forefinger field direction, middle finger induced current direction, application generator. Question number 94. What is earthing? Why is important? Connecting electrical appliance to ground is called earthing. Important safety against electrical shock. Safety against electric shock. Prevent static charge in accumulation. Stabilize voltage. Protect against lightning. Working. Provide low resistance path. Leakage current flow to the ground. Prevent dangerous voltage. I explain overloading and short circuiting. Question number 95. Overloading causes too many appliances, affect excessive current, heating, fire. Prevent use of proper fuse, avoid too many appliances. Short circuiting cause direct and live neutral contact, effect very high in current, overloading, fire. Prevention proper installation, CV use current. Short circuit cause direct live neutral contact, effect very high current, overloading, overheating, fire. Prevention proper insulation, MCB use. Question number 96. Describe the electromagnetic appliances in daily life. This question number 96. Describe magnetic application in daily life. Answer is electric bell, electromagnet attract hammer, loudspeaker, current in coil cause vibration, Muglo, Magnetron, magnetic navigation, MRI, strong magnetic field for imaging. MRI, strong magnetic field for imaging, induction cooking, AD current heating, credit card magnetic strip storage. Explain DC motor with commutator process. Commutation process of reversing current in armature. Split ring commutator use reverse connection every half rotation ensure continu- continuous rotation. Function maintain torque direction, convert AC to DC in motor, essential for DC motor operation. Question number 19. What is the electromagnetic shielding? Give an example. So blocking magnetic field using conductive material. Example MU metal boxes for synthesis, including cable shielding, MRI room shielding. What is electromagnetic shielding? Give example. Different blocking magnetic field using conductive material. Example MU metal boxes for sensitive instruments, cable shielding, MRI room shielding. Principal ED current oppose changing magnetic field. Question number 19. Explain working of moving coil galvanometer. Torque on current carrying coil in magnetic field into construction. Permanent magnet, moving coil, soft iron core, hair spring, pointer, and scales. Current in coil experience torque deflection proportional to the current. Spring provide restoring torque. Question number 100. Write the difference between the electric motor and generator. Convert electric motor. Convert electrical to mechanical energy. Use Fleming left hand rules. Current supplies to be rotation. Commutator essential. Electric generator converts mechanical to electrical energy. Use Fleming right hand rule. Rotation produce current. Slip ring AC or commutator DC. Both have similar construction. Now, part one basic concept of question on what is magnetic field, magnetic effect of electric current. When the electric current flow through a conductor, it produces a magnetic field around it. This is called the magnetic effect of electric current. Who discovered magnetic effect of electric current? Hans Christian Ørsted in 1820. Describe Ørsted experiment. Ørsted placed a magnetic compass near the current carrying wire and observed that compass needle deflected when current was reversed. The needle deflected in the same opposite direction. तो गाइस ये वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी तो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें। जय हिंद जय भारत।